Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove the Capcut ending watermark from your videos. Let's begin. To remove the Capcut ending watermark or logo from your videos, you need to either use the paid version of Capcut or apply a few workaround steps to avoid displaying the watermark, which we are going to show you. So, once you open the Capcut app on your mobile device, be it an Android or an iOS, I want you to hover to the project that you are working with. If you haven't already, just go to the new project section, click a new project, and begin your work from scratch. But in my case, I'm going to be choosing this file instead. So I'm going to play this video throughout the entirety, and you would notice that at the very end of your video or my video, you will notice something that is kind of like you don't want to be part of your content. You see that? The CapCut watermark. You see here? That's going to be like, and the CapCut ID is going to be my DeepLaugh69. So if you want to delete this, it's kind of easy. Obviously, you just have to select that last part. You see there is like a small button. I'm going to unselect that again. You see there's like a square and then like a black line at the middle. That means that is the segmented part of the watermark. So it's there to be part of the platform if you're not using the Pro subscription. But if you have the Pro subscription, you're not going to be able to see this CapCut watermark at the end. All I have to do is tap on it. You would notice that they have an option. Once you select that, you can trim the video if you want, see, or you can simply delete it. It's very easy. And now from here, you can add your own ending. Maybe you have like a thumbnail. Let's do that. I'm going to choose this instead. So, instead of the watermark CapCut at the end, well, I am going to use my thumbnail instead. Right? And then I'm going to delete the watermark here. So if you play it through, it's kind of like you have created a very unique and cohesive video that doesn't have the watermark at the end. All right? And again, if you don't want the watermark at the end, you just have to pay for the CapCut Pro. There are some ways to remove or hide the watermark manually, even in the free version. Once you are happy with it, you might want to click the export button on the top right corner if you want to share it to your client for feedback or for collaboration. If you are a part of a collaborative environment, you might want to send this to your team members or if you're working with multiple freelancers. All right. Basically, that's how you remove the CapCut ending. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.